Hello friends, in one of my earlier videos I had shown you how to create FSG reports. Now in my current video I will show you how to create and run FSG report sets. So for that first we need to log into General Ledger Vision Operations Responsibility and then navigate to Reports, Define report set. So as the name itself says, the report set is a group of FSG reports. So if you want to run a group of FSG reports in a single go, then you can group them under a report set and then run the report set, so the system will take care of running all those FSG reports in single go. So let us assume like at the end of the month or at the end of the financial year I want to run all the financial statements. So I'll create a report set, say by name financial statements, give the description also as financial statements, and here include all the FHA reports. So the drop down will show only those FHA reports which are created. So this drop down is actually pulling up the FHA reports which are already available in the system. So I want to include trial balance as my first FHA report, and maybe for the second FHA report I want to include, say, my income statement. Okay, this is the income statement, and the third I want to include my balance sheet. Cumulative balance sheet. So these are the three financial FH reports which I had already created, and hence these are coming up in the drop down. Now I will save this. So now I had grouped all these three FH reports into a report set by name financial statements. Now let's see how we can run a report set. Close this form, navigate to view requests, submit new requests, and bring up a program by name program publish FSG report set. And now you can see the drop down should show the report set which we have created. The name of the report set which we have created is financial statements. Now I'm selecting that. I want to run this for, say, December 17 period, and click on go. Let's see what will happen now. See, this is the report set which we ran, and it automatically triggered request for each of the FH report: trial balance, comparative income statement, cumulative balance sheet. So let us wait for the request to be completed. Even we have this FHE report set concept even in 11i, but the slight difference between 11i and R12 is, as far as 11i is concerned, once these requests are completed, you should be able to click on view output, and then you should be able to see the output of those requests from this what do you call view output. But from, whereas an R12 perspective, wherein this program publish FHA report set is being introduced, you can see the output of those three FHA reports under view output. So if I click on view output, you should be able to see the output of the three FHA report. Instead of click on view output for this FHA report, let us assume that I put my cursor here and click on view output. You will be able to see XML tags. So here you will not be able to see the exact report output. So the same is the case with the other two FHA reports. So put your cursor here, click on view output, and now it opens the report output, wherein in output 1 you are able to see the FHA report output of trial balance. In output 2 you will be able to see the second FHA report, which is comparative income statement, and in the third output you will be able to see the cumulative balance sheet. So this is how you can group multiple FHA reports into a report set, and through a single go you can run the report, wherein the report output will be generated in Excel and in multiple tabs. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. For interesting videos on Oracle Financials, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.